Researchers at Washington University School of Medicine have discovered that brain cell activity during sleep propels fluid into, through, and out of the brain, effectively cleaning it of waste and potentially preventing neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Brain cells generate rhythmic waves during sleep, acting like miniature pumps to facilitate fluid flow and remove debris. The study's findings offer insights into the brain's cleaning process and could lead to strategies and therapies for accelerating waste removal, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.